winter in Kolkata, and I'm sharing a very quick and tasty recipe.
হ্যালো, ওয়েলকাম টু মাধুরমাস কিচেন অ্যান্ড মাধুরমা তো আর আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি কিচেনের মধ্যে আছি। আজকে 4th of January 2025 প্রচণ্ড ঠান্ডা লাগছে। তো হোয়াট মাই মাদার টোল্ড মি টু প্রিপেয়ার সামথিং ভেরি কুইক, উই ডোন্ট ওয়ান্ট টু ইট রাইস। সো আমি যেটা বানাচ্ছি সেটা আমি খুব ঝটপট করে দেখিয়েছি। রেসিপিটা খুব ইজিলি করা যাবে, আর এটা আমার বাড়িতেই ছিল। এনেছিলাম অন্য কারণে জিনিসপত্রগুলো, কিন্তু আজকে রাতে ডিনারটা এটা দিয়ে হবে। আর বাইরে দোকান থেকে রুমালি রুটি আমার বাবা নিয়ে আসতে গেছে। সো তাড়াতাড়ি তৈরি করে ফেলছি। সো হোয়াট আই হ্যাভ, দিস ইজ স্প্রিং অনিয়ন, বাল্ব স্প্রিং অনিয়ন sliced, and you can use normal onion as well if you have. I have some leftover this capsicum and chili and tomato, and this is coriander leaf chopped. This is tomato sauce, and then what is that? This is chicken liver and the gila mete, what we call in Bengali. So I just marinate with ginger garlic paste and some chopped coriander. I thought I will prepare it for tomorrow, but today night we are having dinner with that, and that is the paste. I have ginger garlic paste and then coriander or dhania powder and zira powder. So I make a paste with that with water. That's it, and I'm going to cook. Quickly I will heat this karai, and after that I will add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. And now I will add this sliced onion. I'm using the onion bulb. As I said, if you don't have onion bulb, you can obviously use the normal onion. So I will just fry it, and I will cook it in a high flame. Let me fry it a bit and then I'll come back. And now I will add this ginger, garlic, dhania and zira, coriander, cumin paste over here. I will add salt, but later, not now. I will cook it till the raw smell of the spices are gone. Let me check. Yes, the smell is gone. And now I will add this chopped tomatoes and little bit of water. Give it a quick stir, and then I will cover it till the tomatoes are mushy. Let me check. Yes, you can see it's done and mushy already. So now my next thing, what I'll add, that gile, mete, chicken liver and everything, the marinated one. And this is a quick recipe, and guess what, this is the recipe what actually I was thinking today morning. So it was not written anywhere. You can say it's a mishmash, and I was thinking that what I have to do, it will be healthy yet tasty and non-spicy. Normally this chicken liver curry, this kind of recipes, it has to be use lots of spices and all, but I don't want that. So that's why I am preparing in this way. So this is, I'm mixing it up properly, and this time I will add salt. Adding the salt, and what I forgot to tell you, that in this mixture turmeric was there. So just added the salt, and now I will add some water. So adding some water so that it will be cooked properly, and I will cover it for a couple of minutes. Let me check if it's done or not. Yes, these are done, and we have lots of gravy which I don't want. It will be what we call Bengali makha makha. So now in a high flame I will leave it for a few minutes so the gravy will evaporate, and then I will finish it off. Okay, I'm back, and now you can see the gravy is reduced. So quickly I will add some other ingredients. First of all, this chopped green chili, and then this tomato sauce. Don't use tomato puree in this recipe. The tomato sauce, any brand, is done. So that will be the sweet tomato sauce, not the garlicky one, not the spicy one. So I'm adding this tomato sauce. And now quickly I will mix it. And one more thing I'm going to add, that is garam masala powder. So I always use the homemade garam masala powder. You can buy that from Madhurima's Kitchen as well, that garam masala powder. So I'm using that. So it's done almost. Give it a good stir. And now I will switch it off. The gas is switched off. Rest I will add this capsicum, green capsicum, that is optional, but I love it, so that's why I am using this. And dhania patta, that is must, that is not optional. So the Mete-Gila Mish, that is done. And thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. You can follow me in Instagram, Facebook, Madhurima's Kitchen, and Google as well. You can place order. In 2025 there are lots of menus are coming. Every week you will get a new menu. So stay tuned and I will see you in the dinner.